In this video, I'll show you how to create a template in Jotform. First, log into your Jotform account. To begin creating a template, you'll first need to create a form that will serve as the base for your template. Start by clicking on the Create button located at the top left-hand corner of your dashboard, then click on Form. Next, choose the Start from Scratch option and select whether you want to use a classic form or a card form. Now that you've chosen the format, begin building your form by clicking Add Element on the left side of your screen. You can add various form elements by dragging them into your workspace. Once you're done building your form, click on the Settings tab at the top of your screen and enter a name for your form. Jotform saves changes automatically, so you can safely click the Jotform logo at the top left to return to your home page. You should now see your newly created form listed. To turn this form into a template, hover over the form and click on the More button that appears at the end of the form's row. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the Share as Template option. You'll be taken to a new page where you need to enter information for your template, such as the template title, language, and a brief description. You can also categorize your template for better visibility. After filling out these details, click Share. Your template will now be live and available for others on Jotform to use. If you wish to return to your homepage, click the Jotform logo once more. That's all it takes to create and share a custom template on Jotform.